Hi everybody, this is a movie about calculating molar mass and formula mass. And here's a question: what is the molar mass and formula mass of aluminum sulfate? So first of all, what's the difference between molar mass and formula mass? Formula mass is about the molecule, and molar mass is about a mole of molecule. So if you look at aluminum sulfate, if you look at the formula, we've got two aluminums, see there, two aluminums, stuck to 3 sulfates. And a sulfate is a sulfur attached to 4 atoms. And we have 3 of these polyatomic ions. So I'm just drawing them in here. You don't have to know exactly where they are in space relative to aluminum, but you should know that you have 2 aluminum atoms. You can count them there, 2 aluminum atoms, and 3 sulfur atoms, and check out how many oxygens we have. We have 4 there and 4 there. That makes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 oxygen atoms. So what is the formula mass, which could be this is the mass of a molecule of aluminum sulfate? What you have to do is you have to look up the atomic mass of all these atoms. If you check your periodic table and you look up aluminum, just get my pens out here. There's aluminum here, and you've got your sulfur and your oxygen. And what you're doing is you're looking for these atomic masses there. So let's go back to our question here. So aluminum has a atomic mass of 27 atomic mass units. Sulfur, one singular sulfur, has an atomic mass of 32.1 AMU, stands for atomic mass units. And oxygen has an atomic mass of 16 atomic mass units. But we need to take into account the number we have of each. So it's going to be, if you get the formula mass, 2 times 27 atomic mass units plus 3 times 32.1 atomic mass units. Just going to erase that here. Atomic mass units plus 12 times 16 atomic mass units. So if we put that in our calculator and add it all up, you would get 342.3 atomic mass units. Now the numbers that come from the periodic table do not limit your sig figs, but I'm going to go with 1 decimal point because these numbers here have 1 decimal point. Now the molar mass is just the same number but a different unit. So the mass of a mole, and a mole is 6.022 times 10 to the 23 particles. Like a dozen is 12 and a pair is 2. A mole is 6.022 times 10 to the 23 particles. So the molar mass is just the same value as the atomic mass or the formula mass, but a different unit. That's all it is. So it's grams per mole. And that's how you'd figure it out.